Hello everybody, let's learn how to join two bodies. First, create a body, create sketch, XY plane, make a simple rectangle, no need to constrain it, pad, 29 millimeters, hit OK. Now create a new body, sketch, XY plane, let's create a hexagon, pad, 50 millimeters, OK. Now with the body selected, click transform, with the right click, move it, hit OK. Now, to join them together, click on the first body, set it to active body, click on Boolean operation, add body, click on the second one, make sure it's on fuse, and hit OK. That's all you need to know. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this tutorial, and comment down below if you want any other tutorials. You can also support me in the description, buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching.